Welcome back to my channel Cars Mania. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of one of the most luxurious and powerful convertibles on the market, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series. This isn't just a car, it's an experience tailored for those who demand elegance with performance, and luxury with attitude. Let's start with the design. The exterior of the SL 680 Monogram Series is nothing short of jaw-dropping. It carries the classic SL Roadster proportions but gets a Maybach-level treatment with a hand-finished two-tone paint scheme, exclusive Maybach grille, and monogram detailing subtly integrated into the front fascia and side panels. The soft-top roof folds back in under 15 seconds, giving it that instant grand touring appeal. The 21-inch forged wheels carry the Maybach insignia, and the chrome accents add that unmistakable touch of class. Step inside and you're immediately greeted by a cabin that blurs the line between craftsmanship and technology. The Monogram Series features exclusive leather upholstery with Maybach logos embossed into the headrests and armrests. The ambient lighting is customizable in dozens of colors, and there's real wood trim with optional rose gold inlays. A massive 11.9-inch OLED touchscreen dominates the center console, running the latest MBUX system with AI-powered voice control, navigation, and entertainment. The Burmester 4D surround sound system makes every drive feel like a private concert. And of course, both front seats are heated, ventilated, massaging, and fully adjustable to your preferred settings. Under the hood, the SL 680 means serious business. Powered by a handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 biturbo engine, it produces a monstrous 621 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. It can launch from 0 to 60 in just about 3.6 seconds, impressive for a vehicle that exudes such refinement. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, and the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system provides superior grip in all conditions. Adaptive suspension and rear axle steering ensure the ride remains buttery smooth, whether you're cruising down coastal highways or navigating tight city streets. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series starts at around $230,000, but with added personalization and optional features, that price can easily push past $250,000. It's not just a car, it's a statement of taste, status, and sophistication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts about this beauty in the comments below.